Hello friends, Tomodachi. Well, I have this cute little kit that I purchased at Daiso for a Japanese police station, an emergency helicopter pad. So I want to try to put this together today. So Daiso's a 100 yen shop. So I paid probably about 70 cents for this. And I did get this at the Daiso in Japan. And I just thought I'd try something like this out. It's just these little separate cards in here. I guess that would be the base right there. And these are kind of like a thick padded cardboard-like material. So yes, that does look like the base right there. And I'm just going to begin by taking these out. I don't know, I'm looking for number 1 because these are numbered on the bottom. See right here? Hopefully you can see there's little numbers for these little tabs. And I'm just thinking I might go with the first one, which this is number 1. So I'll go ahead and speed up the video as I pop all of these out. Okay, so this piece here looks like it attaches like this. Now, the photo that they have with this kit, this little toy, is very helpful because there's no instructions. Like I said, it's easy. It's like user-friendly, but it's nice just to see a visual of where it's supposed to go. So it just pops in like this. It's actually pretty cool. I could see how a kid would really like this because you get to assemble it and then you get to play with it. All right, that fits in there really nice. It's pretty snug. And you can see that piece in the back. That's that. All right, so I'll start popping some more of these out and trying to figure out the placement of some of this. And while I do that, I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video again. Okay, so I got a couple more pieces in here, but I thought I'd slow it down again for a little bit. So let's see, these right here, they match the numbers right here for these slots, so go ahead and put them in. Trying to do this where you can see it on the video. It's kind of hard to do that though, to keep it centered, but hopefully you can see pretty well. Oh, and this part, that looks like a ladder. I want to say that that goes on the top, but I'm not sure. So as you can see, I've gotten a lot of this finished. And here's this piece that goes right here on the end. So I have to pick this back up because that will have to go in first. But it's not too bad to try to reposition this. I mean, it's on there pretty good. You just have to be able to push down hard enough without breaking the tabs or bending the tabs so that they will no longer fit in those little grooves or slots, and then being able to push firm enough to get it to go all the way down. So lining it up is the thing. Oops, so I didn't have that side popped in all the way. Yeah, actually, I'm enjoying this. I will put the time that it took for me to put this together at the end, because I've sped through a lot of this to keep the video at a, moderate length. But if you see one of these on Daiso, I'd say go ahead and get it, And especially if you're bringing back toys for a child, if you're in Japan at the Daiso Japan, these are flat and they don't get damaged very easy. So it's a very inexpensive, lightweight, easy thing to bring back. It's got Japanese writing on it, so I'm sure kids would find that interesting. And it would be very novel for them. So just figuring out this piece. I thought it was something that went here, but maybe I'm just not seeing the number well. If I do this without my glasses, it definitely makes it harder to see. But yeah, that's not making sense. I'm going by the image. It looks like there's a ladder coming down, but I'm not seeing exactly how it is. Oh, and look, here's another piece that I missed, and this goes inside. So let me get this assembled. All right, so here it is, and it took 20 minutes and 19 seconds. This is up close. This little rail right here is neat. It actually goes up and down, and I'll just turn it around. You can put the police car in the garage. Now, I left that open so that you can see that if a kid wanted to leave that open to play so they can put the things in and out, this opens up and makes like a room over there. There's no other way to get to it, but I'll close that up after I do it this way so you can see what it looks like. And here's the helicopter landing pad. Here is how it looks with it completely closed up. I would say if you see this, go ahead and get it. I give it 5 stars for value. It was fun to put together, and it's cute to look at, and a child will really enjoy this. Thanks for watching.